So master, we will see your latte art now, or final post last one. Again, control. Yes, very good. Pouring. Nice one. Very nice. Perfect. Yes. Okay. Perfect. And guys, no, aking student, si Master Alam. Okay, let's go, Master. Yes. Very easy. Shit. Complete. Very good. Okay guys, third attempt tayo. Third attempt. Third latte art. Yes. Okay. Very easy. Very good. Move. Very good. Walay. See? Look at your latte art now. Okay, so all perfect. First, second, third. Perfect. Now fourth. Very easy. Shit. Very easy. Wow. See? Very good. Fifth attempt kami, no? So first, second, third, fourth, complete, perfect. And then now is fifth attempt of our latte art. Yes, very easy. Very easy. See? Buhos ng ano guys, no? 7 days. Buhos ng pang 7 days guys, oh. Pang 1 week na yan guys, no? So complete na. Ayan. Buhos ng pang 1 week. Okay. 2, 4, 5. So guys, pang 6 attempts kami, no? Ng aming latte art ni Master Alam. All perfect, see? Okay. See? Very cool. Very easy. See? Buhos ng 7 days guys, no? Pang 7 days buhos. Super solid na. See? Super solid, oh. Pang 7 days na buhos yan, ha? 7 days of training. First 7 session. Completely 100%. This is full video. Very easy. Yeah. Good. See? Yes. Nice. Okay, I guess, no? 2, 4, 6, 7 attempts na, no? Pang 8 attempts na kami ngayon. So far wala pang fail kami. Lahat perfect na. 7 days of training. So let's go, Master. Okay. Easy, easy, very easy. So much cool. Very easy. Wow. Perfect. Yeah. Very completely. 100%. Oh. Shit. Okay, let's go, master. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 attempts kami guys for 7 session. So buhos ng 7 days. So tingnan nyo guys ang buhos ng 7 days. Gaano ka-efficient siya. Gaano ka-efficient magbuhos ang 7 days guys. See? Very cool. Yes, very nice. 7 days of training. 100% complete guys. See? Kita nyo naman guys oh. Yes. So 11 attempts na kami guys. See so far. All perfect. Yes, good. Very easy. Very easy. See? 7 days of session namin. See? Very nice. So guys, 12 attempts na kami ngayon, no? So 12 attempts na kami. So ito na yung aking si Master Alam. Pang 12 attempts. Okay, let's go. See? Very easy. Very easy. Yeah. Okay. Very good. See guys, 7 session namin, no? 3, 6, 9, 12, 13 attempts guys, no? So our 13th attempts of latte art. So very easy so far. All complete. Okay. Let's go, master. Yes. Yes, very easy. Yeah. Good. Yes.